first time they say in India that such a thing has actually happened. Drones spraying disinfectant from the air.
Citro BioShield is India's #1 antimicrobial disinfectant solution. It is completely organic and it is non-alcoholic, non-carcinogenic and non-odorless also. Now we have already discussed about a lot of clinical trials about Citrus BioShield and its products and its benefits and all these things to the public. A lot of researches was also been done and we have lab reports which has been proven also that it has the capacity to arrest the corona which is on the air, the aerosols which can be arrested, and it has also got the capacity to kill the virus which is there on the air. So mainly to arrest this aerosols on air, these kind of drones is the next big thing which has to be initiated.
So very good organic solution which is going to control, destroy the virus. Along with that, they have made up the use of the drone. So both together they are going to provide an excellent solution very easily in the open space and many of the places where there is a lot of virus in source is there we can control by making use of the solution.
ಆರ್ಗ್ಯಾನಿಕ್ ಇರೋದ್ರಿಂದ ಇದರಿಂದ ಅಡ್ಡ ಪರಿಣಾಮಗಳು ಭಾಳ ಕಡಿಮೆ ಇರ್ತದೆ. ಕೆಮಿಕಲ್ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡೋದ್ರಲ್ಲಿಗೆ ಇದನ್ನು ನಾವು ಪ್ರಯೋಗ ಮಾಡಿ ನೋಡ್ಬೋದು. ಇದರ ರಿಸಲ್ಟ್ ಅದರ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ಮತ್ತೆ ಆಯಾ ಇಲಾಖೆ ಅದನ್ನು ದೃಢೀಕರಿಸಬೇಕಾಗುತ್ತೆ. ಸೋ ಫಾರ್ ಇದರಿಂದ ಯಾವುದೋ ಅಡ್ಡ ಪರಿಣಾಮ ಇಲ್ಲ ಅನ್ನೋ ಒಂದು ಕಾನ್ಫಿಡೆನ್ಸ್ ಮೇಲೆ ಇದನ್ನು ఉపయోగించుకోದಾಗಿದೆ ಅಂತ ಒಂದು ಹೇಳಕ್ಕೆ ఇష్టపడతాను.
మన అనంతపురం జిల్లాలో ఏర్పాటు చేయడం జరిగింది. ఇంతకుముందు రాష్ట్రంలో అలాగే ఇతర రాష్ట్రాలలో ఏర్పాటు చేసినటువంటి ఈ టన్నెల్స్, డిస్ఇన్ఫెక్టెంట్ టన్నెల్స్ ఏవైతే ఉన్నాయో అవి సోడియం హైపోక్లోరైడ్ ద్వారా ఏర్పాటు చేసినటువంటి టన్నెల్స్. వాటి యొక్క ఎఫెక్టివ్నెస్ మీద కానీ అలాగే సైడ్ ఎఫెక్ట్స్ మీద కానీ డౌట్స్ ఉండడంతో వాటిని క్లోజ్ చేయాల్సిందిగా కొన్ని రాష్ట్ర ప్రభుత్వాలు ఇచ్చి ఉన్నాయి. అది అటువంటి ప్రాబ్లం లేకుండా మన దగ్గర సిట్రో బయోషీల్డ్ అని చెప్పేసి ఇందులో ఈ ఫస్ట్ ఆర్గానిక్ డిస్ఇన్ఫెక్టెంట్ టన్నెల్స్ని మన దగ్గర ఏర్పాటు చేయడం జరిగింది. Personal hygiene kit which is a citrus based Citro BioShield.
This is a disinfectant tunnel which is being used with bio-citrus fruit extract solutions. This is completely organic, non-alcoholic, non-corrosive, and it has also been, even if human beings have to inhale this, there is absolutely no side effects. This has been tested by labs and they have given an authentication from the labs also. It is a 99.999% disinfectant solution. But this is much better than sodium hypochlorite solution and Lysol, which is being sprayed in disinfectant tunnels across. Now, this is India's first breakthrough technology where we have used artificial intelligence and motion sensors in this. The timers have been set so that this tanker will spray this disinfectant, this organic thing. Accordingly, number of people, how much ever people are coming inside and passing inside. But this is Andhra Pradesh first disinfectant tunnel which is using, instead of sodium hypochlorite and Lysol, they are using completely organic based citrus fruit extracts.
And that too in the office of the Commissioner of Police, which is still busy even during the time of lockdown also. The disinfectant is an organic compound and is not carcinogenic or not abrasive to the skin as well as to the eyes.
మొదటిసారిగా ఇండియాలో మొబైల్ హ్యూమిడిఫైయర్ని తెలంగాణ ప్రభుత్వానికి డొనేట్ చేయడానికి ముందుకొచ్చారు డాక్టర్ గాయత్రి. కరోనాపై పోరాటం చేస్తున్న డాక్టర్ని ఫుల్ బాడీ శానిటైజ్ చేసేందుకు ఈ పరికరం ఎంతగానో ఉపయోగపడుతుందని ఆమె అంటున్నారు.
కరోనా ప్రపంచవ్యాప్తంగా విజృంభిస్తుంది. కరోనాను ఎదుర్కొంటున్న డాక్టర్లు కావచ్చు, ఇతర ఎసెన్షియల్ సర్వీస్లో ఉన్న వాళ్ళని ప్రొటెక్ట్ చేసుకోవడానికి అనేక పరికరాలు మార్కెట్లోకి ఇప్పుడు కొత్తగా అందుబాటులోకి వస్తున్నాయి. మొదటిసారిగా హ్యూమిడిఫైయర్ అనే ఒక మెషిన్, దాంతో ఏ కెమికల్స్ వాడితే ఆ హ్యూమిడిఫైయర్ పనిచేస్తుంది, ఈ కరోనాని ప్రత్యక్షంగా ఫ్రంట్ లైన్లో ఉండి ఎదుర్కొంటున్న వారిని ఎలా పూర్తి స్థాయిలో కాపాడాలి అనే దానిపైన మనతో మాట్లాడడానికి డాక్టర్ గాయత్రి గారు ఉన్నారు.
సిక్ట్రో బయోషీల్డ్, this is the unique product in India now. ఇది ఓన్లీ టోటల్గా ఆర్గానిక్ ఫ్రూట్ ఎక్స్ట్రాక్ట్ నుంచి వచ్చింది. ఇట్ ఈస్ అ నాన్ ఇరిటైన్, నాన్ కరోజివ్, నాన్ హార్మింగ్ అండ్ నో కెమికల్, నథింగ్ ఇన్ దిస్. దిస్ ద ఫస్ట్ కైండ్ ఆఫ్ ఫ్లూయిడ్ ఇన్ ఎంటైర్ ఇండియా. అయితే ఇది మనకి కర్ణాటకలో సెక్రటరీ గారు, హెల్త్ సెక్రటరీ గారు డాక్టర్ అవడంతో ఆయన దీని గురించి చదివి ప్రోడక్ట్ తెప్పించుకొని మొత్తం కర్ణాటక అంతా ఇది పెడుతున్నారండి. అయితే అంత బాగుంది, అందరు ఎగ్జైట్ అయ్యారు, చాలా బాగుంది. ఎందుకంటే 99.999% ఇట్ కిల్స్ ద బ్యాక్టీరియా, వైరల్, ఫంగల్ అండ్ స్పోర్స్ అని మనకి రిపోర్ట్స్లో ఉన్నాయి. బిఫోర్ ఫాగింగ్ అండ్ ఆఫ్టర్ హాఫ్ అన్ అవర్ తీసుకున్న కల్చర్స్లో కంప్లీట్లీ బ్యాక్టీరియా వాజ్ కిల్డ్. ముందు ఉన్నవన్నీ కూడా హాఫ్ అన్ అవర్ తర్వాత తీసుకుంటే కిల్ అయింది. అంటే వెరీ షార్ట్ టైంలో దీస్ ఆర్ కిల్లింగ్ ద ప్యాథోజన్స్.
Let's try and understand those distinctions a little better if we can. Gomti Subramaniam, you're a member of the American Chemical Society. Obviously there is this big debate about sodium hypochlorite, and here of course it's already seeing a ban as well. Do these surface disinfectants work, and how would you rank an organic disinfectant vis-a-vis, for instance, bleach or sodium hypochlorite?
Namaste. This antimicrobial disinfectant, what Karthik Narayan was talking about, is 99.99% antimicrobial, and it's non-corrosive, and it's non-alcoholic, and also it's so human safe used in the tunnels and as in the hospitals and operation theaters as an antimicrobial disinfectant, and they using the foggers and humidifiers. When compared to the sodium hypochlorite, which is normally used in bleach and iodine water, it's more skin irritant and it's highly corrosive. So we are moving towards the organic and biodegradable ones. We don't want our kids to inhale any alcohol or any corrosive chemicals so that they have more respiratory problems. Sodium hypochlorite is one of the ingredients which is like bleach, common bleach, which we use.
Right.
That is more skin irritant and hazardous too.
Right.
In higher level of concentration.
Those visuals, actually we can see the Bengaluru Police Commissioner, and one of these machines has in fact been installed in the Bengaluru Police Commissioner's office, and we spoke to him earlier as well, Bhaskar Rao, who talked about what the experience has been like. Now remember, policemen in particular, police personnel rather, have been at the front line of the COVID battle. They are probably meeting many more people while they're undertaking their duties. What happens when these police personnel then come back to the same place, given their levels of exposure?
The reason that it is organic is it is free from alcohol, and it is a new initiative, and we really welcome such a program which is starting from our office. This office, even during the lockdown period, sees close to about 500 to 600 visitors who keep coming for some reason or the other.
So Dr. Karthik Narayan, you're looking at using this organic disinfectant not just in tunnels, even though we're focusing, of course, on the tunnels of hope. Is it possible to use this in other methods as well for surface disinfecting? We believe right now an initiative called Team Daksh by Ajit Kumar is actually using drones to disinfect public spaces. Is this something, is this a solution, something that can be used in drones as well? What's the latest on that?
Absolutely. With regards to Daksh, Daksh has been initiated mentored by Ajit Kumar, who's a South Indian superstar, and he has come up with a very innovative idea of spraying disinfectants using drones across all the red zone areas, especially in Tamil Nadu. When it comes to the solution, exactly, when we're talking about the surface disinfectants. See, Citrus Bio Shield is a completely organic solution, and this is also can be used in industrial surface disinfectant as well. So, Citrus Bio Shield, the solution is also being used in ICUs as well as in operation theaters without shifting the patients using the Frogger technology.
Right. It's interesting also, Dr. Narayan, that this is also being used to protect the Nagarhole National Park and the elephant and tiger reserves over there.
Yes, of course. Yes, I would want to personally thank Dr. Bhima Shankar S. Gluvad, DCP of Northeast Bangalore, and Mr. Mahesh Kumar, who is the IFS in Bandipur and Nagarhole Tiger Reserve.
Right.
So we were the first team to sanitize using bioenzymes instead of bleaching powder and sodium hypochlorite solutions and Citro BioShield solutions for the Tiger Park, Tiger Reserve, as well as the elephant parks in Nagarhole.
All right.